To understand the true nature of deities, we must always remind ourselves of the two levels of reality. Ultimate truth, beyond notions of subject and object, I and other, beyond concepts and words. Truth is always present and always true, but it is not experienced by ordinary beings. Relative truth, false in essence but true for the people who experience it. A truth founded on the fallacious perception of subject and object, of an I and another. If, from our point of view, there is an I and the deity, from the point of view of the deity, there is neither an I nor another, neither subject nor object. This does not imply the absence of manifestation, but that this manifestation is without duality. It lacks a center and circumference.